Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on a phone, Samsung Galaxy A8. For this we need a brush with longer flexible bristles, soft or medium hard, so that it's simply flexible for us, but also so that it doesn't scratch the phone with its bristles. We also need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure for cleaning. If you can't get these items, which you can buy on Amazon or Allegro in a set, you can also use a regular toothbrush as long as it's soft or medium hard. It's very important so that you don't damage your phone or scratch it. So we soak the toothbrush, making sure it's thoroughly wet with our alcohol. Once it's soaked, we take the phone and turn it to the side. The microphone is here, this tiny little hole, and the second microphone is for noise cancellation. We have one up here, a tiny little hole, and we need to clean both of these microphones so that everything works properly. We take the toothbrush and move it back and forth several times in each direction just to clean it out. The microphone hole. So in one direction, a few times, then in the other direction a few times, about 5 times, then sideways about 5 times. From one side to the other 5 times, so that all the dirt just comes out, so that all the dirt comes out of this microphone hole, and so that nothing blocks it and it works really well. When we're done with one side, we move on to the other side and do exactly the same thing, that is, in every direction, a few times, 5 or 6 times, then in the other direction again 5 or 6 times, and sideways 5 or 6 times, just to thoroughly clean both microphones, one and the other. They are important because one is used for hands-free calls, and the other can also be used for noise cancellation. During conversations, one is used for talking, while the other cancels out the surrounding noise, so they have very different functions. The point is for both to work at their full potential. After finishing, of course, we turn off the phone. The phone must always be turned off during cleaning, that's fundamental. After completing the entire process, we leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate, and only then can we use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like the video, and see you in the next one.